Transferring money in Payoneer to Binance is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the webpage coinsidex.com. So this is the article on how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. Here, the simplest way to do this is to deposit funds with your Payoneer credit card. First step is to sign in to your Binance account. Then, next step is to buy crypto with a credit card. Now, enter the amount of fiat currency that you want to spend. Next, enter your Payoneer card details. Make sure the details are correct and valid. Fifth step, the last one, is to confirm the transaction. Doing so, you can transfer money in Payoneer to Binance. After converting your funds to cryptocurrency, you can use Binance's trading features to buy, sell, or trade different cryptocurrencies as needed. Furthermore, regulations and processes for cryptocurrency transactions can vary by country and region. So make sure you are aware of the legal and tax implications of your actions and comply with your local laws.